What you building?
Gotta rotate the shock 90. Make room for that big old turb skis.
Say what? That ain't gonna work. Don't work like that.
Listen here, keyboard care. Dang it didn't work.
Feeling used, but I'm still missing you, and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips, and now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you, realize how much I need you. Like a bullet train, moving like the speed of sound. Feet can't keep on the ground. Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train. Like a bullet train. Like the speed of sound. We can't keep on the ground. Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train. Like a bullet train.
A little bit of an update. We got the rear shock close pivots because it's not allowed to pivot rotated like that. I know, guys. Y'all are killing me on that one, but you can see here, I took the coil off, so it was a little easier. We go up on a Tuesday. She don't hit none.
Oh, that's real nice.
Yep, sure looks like it didn't work. What you think?
I think it'll be all right. Might break, but you know, it'll be okay.
Still gonna send it. Okay. That's 265 pounds of American. And she holds.